Hello, what I have here today is a classic 1976 MR250 Elsinore. This bike is the headlight, tail light, nice trail bike. It's got nice knobby tires on it that look like new. I don't know how old they are. I got this bike, it was a barn find. It was parked for many, many years. Cleaned the carburetor out, put new gas in it. In fact, it smokes a good bit. I think the ratio, I have a 32-to-1 ratio in it. I think it's a little bit heavy on the mix. But anyways, it's a two-stroke. That's what they do. They smoke. But I'm not sure. I think I might have it mixed a little rich. 3,200 miles on this bike. 3,260. The tank is super clean inside. Basically spotless. The tank had been repainted. Decent job. Couple little nicks on it. The side covers are perfect condition. The plastic. The seat is very, very nice. The original seat. It's got everything. Nothing's been changed on this bike. It's got the tail light, the headlight, fiberglass fender in the rear. I guess this one also is as well. It's plastic. Drum brake, the fork legs all look nice. The fork tubes look good. Not rusty or pitted. Original pipe, original key and carburetor. The frame almost looks like it's been repainted at one time or other. It looks really nice and shiny. And original pipe with the silencer in it. And it runs real well. All the lights and everything work on it. I'm gonna go ahead and start it up. Turn everything on. Let's show it to you. I see the light, the little button for the light is not here. And then the high and low switch is there, but the little button for the turn the headlights on is not there. This bike starts first kick. Choke it, gas on. There's the light. Take it for a ride. He ripped